got involved with WorldSkills UK by doing some local competitions and then into like regional competitions, and eventually I got into the squad for WorldSkills. Competition training has made me a better painter by increasing my standard of work. But all the training that I've done, I never would have got done if I had just done my apprenticeship, because I got to go training in Denmark and go to some of the paint companies and do specialist training there, which there's no way that an employer's going to pay for you to do.
Rebecca first come here as an apprentice painter. She was quite a shy person. You seen her developing socially and wanting to talk more and get more involved. And when Rebecca won her medal, it was amazing. It was very exciting. Some
of the local radio stations and a local TV channel were there doing interviews, which I had no idea was going to happen. We got to go to an event up in Stormont shortly after with the Education Minister, and they held an event that my whole family was able to go to. So although they hadn't got to go out to Sao Paulo, they got to go to that there and see just what an achievement I've made.
I would certainly advise other tutors to get involved with WorldSkills and national competitions and stuff. As I say, it does give young people an opportunity, and it does really develop them on a personal level as well as a skill level too, so most definitely.
Car painting is generally seen as a male-dominated skill, but it's not. Females are coming through and doing a much better job than their male counterparts. At Kazan, there was 2 females on the stage, same as when I competed in Sao Paulo, and I hope this just goes to show everybody that there's no reason why females can't come into the industry and do a much better job.